This introduction might be longer than the piece itself, um, but there are some fun facts that I want to share with you. So just last month in October, a new Chopin waltz was discovered at the Morgan Library and Museum in New York City. And it had never seen the light of day in nearly 200 years. You're probably familiar with his famous Little Dog Waltz, also called the Minute Waltz, just because it's so short. Well, guess what? This one is even shorter. And today we're giving it its Houston premiere, and I hope you like it.